Get it, buddy.
You see it? Where is it?
Get it, Monty.
Go get it.
Lex is like, I've had enough.
Come on, Lex. Go get it.
Get it, Lex. Get it, buddy.
Go get it. Where is it? Oh, it's on the outside. Go get it.
Get it, Monty.
Go get it. Yeah, guys. Who's gonna get it?
Where'd it go? Did it go on the floor?
Where'd it go?
Wow, the dog's gonna get it.
Lex is winning.
Nope.
Nope.
Nope, he got it.
Cat got it. Dog slowed it down.
She doesn't have the height advantage. Did you get Monty?
You guys get it?
Yep, he's eating it.
Yum, 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 yum. How is it, Monty? You like it?
Literally licking his chops.
Num, 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 num. Yummy? You want more? We need to get more moths.
No, no. He was slacking on that one. It's been there since yesterday.
Monty, what do you have to say?
Monty!
Hey, Monty.
Monty!
How'd the moth taste? How does the moth taste? Huh?
He's like, where'd it go? Where'd it go?
You ate it. Show me your teeth. Monty, show me your teeth. Hey, Lex. Did you help too? Did you help? Yeah. Yeah, Monty.